When is Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus launching in India? We finally have the answer. Apparently, if you're bored of Earth, you can now move to a new moon because there are some traces of life. Bheem app can now speak in Marathi, Punjabi and Assamese. Today is Friday, April the 14th and this is 360 Daily. 19th April 2017, 19th April 2017, 19th April 2017 is the answer to a question you have been asking us relentlessly. When is Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus launching in India? I hope I've answered your question. There is nothing new about this phenomena. Reliance Jio will launch an offer and to answer back, Airtel, Vodafone and Idea will have their appetizing subsidized offers. Reliance Jio's Dhanandan offer has shaken data-heavy offers from the three biggest telecom operators of the country. All of them are personalized for individual users based on their usage patterns, the things we do for attention. NPCI has a new update for Bheem app on Android and iOS. Now the Bheem app can speak new languages, Marathi, Punjabi and Assamese. It can also transfer money to phone contacts, scan QR codes and more. You can also block or unblock unwanted money requests if that's what you've been getting. And if you want transaction history, you can get that as well. Plus, if you recommend Bheem app to new users, you can get some moolah. Basically, Government of India is buttering you up so that you spread the word, spread Bheem app through referral schemes. We love a good rumor, right? And especially when it's about OnePlus and Xiaomi. And today I have one for each of them. So OnePlus 5 has been spotted on a Chinese regulation site. But one second, didn't we have OnePlus 3 and the next in line should be OnePlus 4? Actually, China thinks number 4 is unlucky, which is why they're skipping it and going to OnePlus 5. In terms of specs, the device may have a Snapdragon 835 SoC and another detail says that OnePlus 5 may come with a ceramic body. It could be mimicking Xiaomi Mi Mix. And the rumor for Xiaomi is that the live images leaked for Xiaomi Mi 6 ahead of its launch. You can see that it has two speaker grills at the bottom of the phone. Xiaomi Mi 6 is set to launch on April 29th. But don't read too much into this rumor because it doesn't seem to have much weight. Don't like people on the Earth? Well, there's a possibility where you can move into a new moon that's not too far away from you. It's circling Saturn and it's called Enceladus. Now this moon is said to have some traces of life, which means that you can always pack in some jumpers because it's an ice-crusted moon and go there. I might just see you there. That's all on this edition of 360 Daily. I'm Devika Chitnis for Gadgets 360. Have a nice weekend. And also for all things tech, you can always log on to gadgets360.com.